Let's take a look how you can install LANGuardian on ESXi using our deployment wizard. My name is Darragh Delaney from NetFort. So let's deploy LANGuardian using the ESX deployment wizard. So I'm logged on here to a Windows 7 client. Doesn't matter, any Windows client should do. You do need to have Java installed. So let's kick off the deployment. So just accept the license terms. Put in the IP address of the ESX server and the username with password. Let's check the logon. Select the resource pool you want to put the virtual machine in and the data store. I just have one of each. Straightforward. Then an IP address for LANGuardian. Settlement mask. And a gateway. During the deployment, a port group will be created for monitoring purposes, so you can select what switch you want this set up on. I've just set the one, so I'm just going to use the default there. Let's confirm all the settings, they look fine, and then we upload. Now this step here takes a couple of minutes. What happens is that the virtual machine is uploaded to the ESXi server. If you want to check the status, you can go onto your ESX server. You'll see the deploy OVA template at 7% here, and you can see it's actually already created a virtual machine. So we just have to wait for this to complete. What will happen eventually is you'll get a prompt here to go to the browser. If you don't get that prompt, it's probably a connectivity issue between your client and the ESX server. So don't run this behind. If it's the far side of a router, or if you're using NAT, it may cause an issue. So we recommend that you run the deployment wizard on the same network segment as the ESXi server. Okay, it's now prompting us to go to the browser. So let's do that. We just simply click on the link here. Should load up your browser. And we complete the installation. So licensing terms. You can double check the settings again here. If you have a proxy, you can specify it. This is the important bit where it sets up what we call a sensor. It's the second network interface, a virtual interface. So it is picking up some traffic coming in, and that's fine. We could always tweak this again, send it more traffic, but for the moment that's fine. We seem to be getting some traffic. Finish, and then we log on. So there's a welcome message. We'll just dismiss that. Now it will take a couple of minutes for data to appear on the dashboards. Probably about 10 minutes before you see meaningful data. So we did check earlier on during the install there was some traffic coming in, so we just need to wait. Now we have additional resources available on our, if you're watching this on YouTube, if you go to our channel, there's information on how to set up spam ports. Or if you're looking on our website, if you go to the video section, there's videos there again on how you can set up spam ports. But for the moment I'm set up here. I've got my LANGuardian deployed on ESX, and I can start to see what's happening on my network.